Hello, my name is Jonathan Haile, and welcome back to my developer vlog. This is the second one for my game Sim Solver. Today I just wanted to show you guys some updated mechanics and features I've been working on, and a little test for some level design ideas I have. So let's just jump right into it. So first thing I want to show you guys is the updated targets. In my last video, these were just actual dartboard targets that the player was shooting, and now I've made them into something a little more resemblant of what a virus might look like. So still the same general concept. You just find them around the map, and when you shoot them, they break. I have it so if you shoot it from this side, it'll kind of fly in the proper direction. On that, you shoot it from the top, goes down, whatever. Same thing. And moving on here, I want to show you guys some breakable items. So here I have these grayed out assets. Any asset that's going to be kind of have a gray tint to it, you will be able to break. So shoot it, kind of breaks in these little data pieces almost. I'm going to keep it that way for every asset, but I can apply it. I can apply the breakable property to pretty much anything. I'm just always going to have it be those pieces that fall apart when they break. Just one, I wouldn't be able to create a bunch of individual pieces for a barrel or whatever I might apply this to. And two, it kind of keeps with the general idea that it's a simulation and things are a little bit wonky. So when you break something, it kind of explodes into data. And then I have the little AI guy right here. It's just going to be able to display information to the character, basic tutorial stuff, or maybe if I decide to do a little bit of story, it can do that. So you just hit T to talk, and right now it just says that's all. On to the next thing. And that's that. And so that's just some updated mechanics I've been working on. The main thing I want to show everyone is some level design ideas. So we're going to go into the map I was working on. And this is just a quick and dirty showcase of a few ideas I have for my game. So let's just jump right into it. And here we just have the AI guy still. Hello, it's just a test. I'm just saying words. Please stop talking to me. Alright, so first thing, I've just rigged up to pressure plate, and like I've said, you can apply this pressure plate functionality to pretty much anything. Here it's applied to a rug. And the way the player is going to know that they can step on it is going to have these kind of little data. I'm calling it data. It's just to be in line with the sim solver simulation aspect. But these little lines that kind of shows oh, I can step on that. So the player steps on it, goes down, and some text pops up. So that can be if a player's going the wrong way, or they put something in a keyhole that doesn't lean anyway. I can be like, oh hey, this isn't it. And here, so we have items you can pick up, and I'm hoping the player will build into it oh, there's all these bricks. They know they can pick up items. Maybe if I take this brick, place it here, and then, oh look, I can go and hop up on here, and there's a virus. So just kind of sort of that letting the player figure things out for themselves, and I think I can be able to apply this type of thing to a lot of different levels and environments. Or here we have, this is the door functionality. I've applied it to this little ramp. So player sees oh, I can't get up there. But they can find this button, or this could be an input slot or a pressure plate, whatever. And they press it, and it goes up. And then you can hop up on here and destroy the virus. And you could also bring it back down if you wanted to. Or here, so imagine this is a wall of breakable items, alright? Obviously right now, you can just kind of see the viruses behind there, but in the actual game, it'd be there's something blocking, they see that it's a grayed out item, probably means they can break it, and so the player will shoot it, break it, and then boom, there's the virus. Next up here, we have an input slot with a door, and so since the player can pick up pretty much any item, they might be oh, is this the key to the door? No, it's not working. Okay, clearly that's not it. Need to find the right item. Oh, is this mushroom what I need? And then you put it in there. That opens the door. And you can break the virus. And the last thing I want to show off here is the pressure plate and how it can bring up platforms. So players says, okay, clearly this is some sort of jumping puzzle. And so they go to jump on it, and oh, the platforms go. Okay, well, the pressure plate needs something on it. So the player can maybe find an object, place it on the pressure plates, and do a little bit of platforming, and then destroy the virus. And there you go. They eradicated it. And so that's just some general ideas I have for levels. I'm going to expand on it further, but that's just sort of the quick version of what I'm thinking about. The next thing I want to do is create an actual tutorial level, so that's probably going to be what the next video is once I have that done. There's a few other features I want to add in, I just don't know if I'm going to be able to, so I don't really want to talk about them, but if I do add those features in, that'll be the next video, and then after that it'll be the tutorial level. But right now I'm just planning on moving on to the tutorial level and creating the start of the game. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.